case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Smith v. United States, which centered around the question of whether trading a firearm for drugs could be considered use of a firearm during a drug trafficking crime, even if the firearm was not actively employed as a weapon. John Angus Smith and a friend traveled from Tennessee to Florida intending to buy cocaine and resell it for profit. They met Deborah Hogue, who agreed to purchase cocaine on their behalf. During discussions with a drug dealer at a motel, Smith's MAC-10 firearm caught the dealer's interest. Smith agreed to sell the firearm if their original deal fell through. Unknown to Smith, Hogue was a confidential informant for law enforcement. She reported Smith's actions, leading to an undercover officer posing as a pawnshop dealer visiting the same motel. When Smith offered to trade his MAC-10 for 2 ounces of cocaine, the officer claimed he did not handle drugs, took the gun, and left, promising to return within an hour. The case asked whether this exchange qualified as use of a firearm during a drug trafficking crime under Section 924, C1 of the statute. The Supreme Court ruled that it did, interpreting the phrase uses a firearm broadly to encompass various actions beyond the firearm's intended purpose, such as trading it for drugs. The court held that as long as the firearm was used during a drug trafficking crime, trading it for drugs qualified as using a firearm within the meaning of Section 924, C1.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.